Namaste students. I hope you all are doing good. My name is Shweta. I am your maths teacher. Let us start today's class. In your previous class, we already completed chapter 1, that is where to look from. Right? I hope you already completed your chapter 1, that is textbook exercise. Now let us open your maths textbook. Uh, let us do chapter 2 now, that is fun with numbers. Before going to this chapter, where do we use numbers? We will use numbers while doing addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. And if you want to purchase anything, there also we will use numbers, right? See, fun with numbers. Here you can observe here few children, that is 5 children, they are playing under a tree. How they are playing? By collecting tamarind seeds. By collecting tamarind seeds, they are playing under a tree. Here Radhika is saying, I have picked 24 seeds. Gauri, hurry, I got 47 seeds. Here are my 38 seeds, Sunil said. And Indra, what she replied, I got 54 seeds. Vicky, I think I have collected 42 seeds. See, children's, what you have to remember here? You have to remember the name of the children's and how much seeds they have collected. Both, if you remember, then you can answer this question easily. Let us see the answer now. See here, Dash collected the most seeds. Most seeds means more number of seeds. In this picture, you can observe who have collected more number of seeds. Here you can see here, Radhika collected only 24 seeds, right? But Gauri collected 47 seeds. Sunil has collected 38 seeds. And Indra collected 54 seeds. Vicky collected 42 seeds. Who have collected more number of seeds here? Yes, it is Indra. That is 54 seeds she have collected compared to all 4 children. She is only a more number of seeds she collected, right? Indra is the answer. Next, Sunil will collect dash more seeds to be equal to Vicky. See here how much Sunil collected seeds. See how many seeds Sunil has collected. Here Sunil has collected 38 seeds, right? But how many seeds Vicky has collected? Vicky has collected 42 seeds, right? 42 and Sunil 38. Here what is the question? How many seeds that Sunil have to add to be equal to Vicky's collection of seeds? See, you have to do that. What you have to do that? You have to subtract. Here Vicky is more number of seeds. Vicky and Sunil. Vicky has collected more number of seeds, right? So Sunil says less number of seeds. So you have to subtract. If you want to subtract, always you have to write bigger number first. Here, which is the bigger number? 42 is the bigger number. 42 minus 38. 38 has Sunil has collected the seeds. So 42 minus 38 is 4. So like that you have to calculate. See here, seeds collected by Vicky equals 42 and seeds collected by Sunil equals 38. Number of more seeds Sunil should collect to be equal to Vicky equals, you have to subtract here, 42 minus 38 equals 4. So Sunil will collect 4 more seeds to be equal to Vicky. Okay children. Next, if Radhika gets 6 more seeds, she will have dash. See here, Radhika has collected how many seeds, children? Yes, Radhika has collected 24 seeds. See, your question is, if Radhika gets extra 6 more seeds, then how much she will have? See, Radhika, you have to add here more number of seeds, 6 more number of seeds. So 24 plus 6 is 30. So 30 seeds Radhika she is having. Next question, how many children have more than 40 seeds? Here, see, here children are collected number of seeds. Here Radhika collected 24 seeds, Gauri collected 47 seeds, Sunil collected 38 seeds, Indra collected 54 seats and Vicky collected 42 seats. Here, question is how many number of students they have collected? 40 more than 40 seats. See here, only 3 members, that is Gauri, Indra and Vicky. Gauri has collected 47. So 47 is more than 40. And Indra has collected 54 seats. 54 also more than 40. And Vicky collected 42 seats. 42 also more than 40. So only 3 members have collected more than 40 seats. Like that you have to answer. Next, Dash needs 3 more seats to have 50. Here, one example I will give. For example, I have 47 chocolates. Okay, I have 47 chocolates. I will add 3 chocolates for that. So, how much the answer? 47 after number is 48, 49, 50. The answer is 50. So, like that only, for 47 if you had 3 you will get the 50. Here question is Dash needs 3 more seats to have 50. Now what you have to think? You have to think who has 47 seats, who have collected 47 seats. That is Gauri, right? Gauri collected 47 seats. If you had 3 more seats, then Gauri's collection will become 50, right? So like that you have to think, then you can answer easily, right? Gauri needs 3 more seats to have 50. Next, Sunil has 2 seats less than 40 and Vicky has 2 seats more than 40. Here, Sunil how much he have collected? 38. If you compare with 40, 38 is less than 2 for 40. And Vicky 2 seats extra he collected, that is 40, for 40 2 seats extra he have collected, that is Vicky collected 42 seats. Okay children, for Vicky has 2 seats more than 40, right? But Sunil has 2 seats less than 40. I hope you understood. Next, dot game. Guess the number of dots in the circle. Now count and check your guess. Play this game with your friends by making circle. See who can guess best. See here, in this rectangle box, they are given the dots, right? In that dots, you have to find the numbers they are written. So you numbers they are making using dots, you have to find out that numbers. How to find? If you have to find out and you have to make it a circle for that. See here, one they are already done. The number 3 you can observe in this. Like that only you have to search the numbers in this and you have to make a circle. This is homework for you. This activity you have to do it in your textbook only. One day match between India and South Africa in Guwahati. India batting first. See, you all love cricket. Even I love cricket. See that to India batting means I love so much. India and South Africa they are playing cricket. India batting first. See in this picture you can observe players are playing cricket. You know Dhoni. Dhoni is our before Dhoni only captain of our India. Now Virat Kohli is the captain. See Dhoni on 96, only one ball left. Here what see two persons they are sitting, no, they are giving comments. Commenter they are giving comments through the that microphone. And here one lady is sitting. That lady is guest. What comment they are giving, the two persons. Dhoni on 96. Dhoni already he has scored 96 runs. Only one ball left. In that, only one ball is left over for his. Will he complete his century? Will he complete his century? In that one ball, he already completed 96 runs. He only one ball is remaining. Will he complete the century in that one ball? They are talking, they are communicating to with each other. And look at this. Uh, and again they are talking, and look at this. What a marvelous six. See, one, I told one ball is left out. No, that ball will be a six. So they are talking like that. Look at this. What a marvelous six. uh, Now that lady is asking, has he completed his century? What that lady is asking now, has he completed his century? You think he already completed 96 runs in one ball. He that score will be a 6. So 96 you have to add 6, then the Dhoni will complete his century. Yes, century means 100 runs. One century is equal to 100 runs. Okay, children, you have to remember that. Yes, century means 100 runs. Yeah, 96 already scored. If you had plus 6 for that, it will be 102. So more than century it is. More than 2 balls more extra 2 runs he have scored. That is 102 runs. Yes, yeah, Dhoni completed century. How many runs do these player need to complete a century? Century means, I already told, one century is equal to 100 runs. See here, question is player 1, player 2, player 3, player 4 they are given, and their runs scored they are given. See, player 1 scored runs are 93. See, will how much if you add to complete the century of that player 1? See, player 1 want to add how many runs to complete the century? Here 93 runs he scored already. You have to add 7 runs, right? 93 plus 7 you had. So it will be 100, right? So like that you have to do this exercise. And player 2 97 runs already he scored. And how many remaining runs he have to add to complete his century? Only 3 runs. 97, 98, 99, 100, right? So like that, 89 runs already player 3 scored. How many runs he have to had to complete his century? That is 11 runs. And player 4 99, only 1 run he have to score to complete the century. One easy method is, you have to total number of run for century is 100 runs, right? 100 minus the run scored. For example, 100 minus 93 if you do, you will get 7. So 7 runs he need to complete. Like that also you can check the result. For example, the total run is 100. 100 minus he scored, player 2 scored 97. So 100 minus 97 is 3. Like that also you can check the runs. Okay. After 99 we go on like this. See, 99 after number is 100. 100 after number is 101. 101 after number is 102. So like that. 99, 100, 100, or 100 you can call, or 100, because 101. So 102. You are filling the blanks, you have to fill up. I show answer. See, number in figures also they are given, number in words also they are given. 99 to 112. You have to answer here, filling the blanks. 99 after number is 100. 100 after number is 101. 101 after number is 102. See, 102 they are given in figure. You have to answer in words. 102. 102 after number is 103. 103 after number is 104. 104 after number is 105. They are given in words, you have to answer in figure. 106, then 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112. Next, 195 to 206 they are given. 195. 196. After 196, you will get 197. After 197, you will get 198. After 198, you will get 199. After 199, you will get 200. 200 after 201. 201 after 202. See, 201 after 202, both number in figures and also number in words you have to answer. You know that 201 after number is 202. So you can write 203. Next 204, 205, 206. See, one question they are given. Oh, 206. Guess how many more to make a triple century? See, I already told one century means it will be 100 runs, and double century means 100 you have to add 2 times. Double means 2. So, or you can multiply 2 multiply with 100. So 200. Like the triple means 3. 3 you have to multiply with 100. Because century means 100. Triple century means 3 into 100. That is 300. Or you can add 100 3 times. Okay. 300. Let us see. Century is equal to, the double century is equal to 2 into 100. That is 200 runs. Triple century is 3 into 100. That is 300 runs. Total runs is equal to 206. See, for this 206 triple century, you have to make this 206 as triple century. How much number you have to add? The question is that number of runs required to make 300 equals 300 minus 206. That is 94. So 94 more runs are required to make a triple century. Okay. Next, top 10 scores in the Cricket World Cup. See here, top 10 scores they are given in the Cricket World Cup. Here they are given the name of the players in a shortcut way. APJ, AS, APJ scored 128, AS scored 100, CK scored 99, DM scored 162, KSP scored 152, MD scored 178, PK scored 105, 105, ST scored 141, TPK scored 112, VVS scored 127. See here, CK just missed his century. How many runs did he need to make a century? See, you go through this tabular column means you can answer this question. Let us see the answer now. See, players they are given here, and first question is CK just missed his century. How many runs did he make a century? Did he have to make a century? See, what is the question means? CK for century means 100 runs. CK scored 99 runs. How many runs did he have to make it? How many runs did he have to score to make it as century? Only one run, right? 99 plus 1 equals 100. So if it is 100, if you had 1 for that 99, it will be century only. That only question. CK just missed only one run. So for his century. Dash and dash scored almost equal runs. In this tabular column you can observe which two players they scored almost equal runs. It is not exactly equal. It is almost equal, nearestly equal. So you have to see that. You see AS and CK. AS scored 100 runs. CK scored 99 runs. Only one run difference, right? VVS and APJ you see, VVS scored 127 runs, APJ scored 128 runs. Here also only one run is difference. So like that, here AS, CK and VVS, APJ scored almost equal runs. Dash scored a complete century, no less, no more. Here, who scored exactly a century? It is not less than century, not more than century. It is AS only. AS scored exactly 100 century. Next, most runs scored by any batsman are, see, most means I already told more number of runs. Who scored more number of runs here? MD. That is how much? 178. So that only you have to write here. Most runs scored by any batsman are, that is MD, 178 runs. Dash and dash have a difference of just 1 runs, both of them. Here AS, CK and VVS, APJ have difference of just 1 runs. I already explained. dash scored two more than 1.5 century. See here, 1 century means 100. Half century means in that 100 you have to make it half. That is 50. Half century in 100, that is 50. You call it as half century. So 1.5 century means that is 150. Here 150 scored two more than 1.5 century. So 1.5 century means 150 plus 2 runs you have to add. So who scored 152 runs here? That is KSP. Okay. See children, so what I explained, you write it in your textbook. Afterwards I will give classwork. Thank you.